Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I went from new model to Runway Diva in under 1 year on Dress to Impress. It is actually pretty simple if you have the time to actually do this, because it does take a lot of time and effort to actually do this, so just keep that in mind. So what I did was I just played with friends, and you have to do this because they are the main, I guess, key to getting stars. So yeah, play with a lot of friends and make sure they vote for you a lot. But if you don't have friends, which is fine, because I know I've gone through a phase where I didn't have a lot of friends, so that's okay. Anyways, that's besides the point. You can go to servers on Dress to Impress and join farming servers. A lot of people just go because they want to be trendsetter and they just want the dress. But it really earned me a lot of stars from doing that. And I know some people don't want to do that, and that's fine. I think I quit farming servers once I was out of the trendsetter rank, because I really wanted to just play. So just do that first if you'd like to. That's how you earn a lot of stars. I think it's a good way to rank up. But if you don't want to, just play a lot. I know that's not very helpful, but you just have to play a lot, and you actually have to dress to impress. I know the votes are sometimes unfair, but you just gotta do it. That's all of the advice that I have basically. It's to just play with friends and join farming servers. That's all I have, and just play a lot. Really play every single night and you'll get to it. I just hit Runway Diva and I'm already at 16,000 stars, even though I don't play a lot anymore. But yeah, I'm on my way to becoming top model, hopefully in this year, but if not, there's still next year. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.